Crypto heads, it's 9:18 p.m. Eastern Time. My name is John Disk, and this is the Crypto Update. It's October 17th. This month is just flying right by. I can't believe it's Tuesday, October 17th. Anyway, here we go now, and the top 10 volume coins. Hopefully I'm giving you a better view. I got some feedback on last night's video, and most of it was positive, but it's quite obvious that we need to get a little bit closer, and I hope I'm giving you a much better view tonight. I won't know until it's over and we upload it, but we're a lot closer than we were. And you'll notice my beautiful mug is not down there, and there's no spam banner on the side telling you to upvote me and like me and share me and all that. Do what you want to do. If you like it, and if you don't, don't. Bitcoin is number one in volume, way down at 54.93. Yeah. Well, according to the 24-hour rise, we're we're only negative 2 points, 2%. But 54 is not a pretty number at this point, and you know what I'm talking about. Great buying opportunity, but make sure it's at the floor and crashes and starts heading back up if you're about to buy. This could go down to 52.46. It could go down to nothing. So make sure it levels out and has a good buy pattern heading back up. Ethereum's number second in volume. Bitcoin's volume is down. It's only 385 million, and that is low. So the buyers, or the traders that are coming in, they're selling. They're scalping their profit and putting it back in the altcoins, and many of the altcoins are in the green, and we'll get to that in a minute. Ethereum is number 2, and BitCoin-CASH is number 3. Yeah, BitCoin-CASH is in the top 3. Litecoin is number 4. Ripple falls to number 5. Neo is number 6. Zcash is number 7. Metaverse is number 8. Dash is 9. And Monero finds itself in 10th place. Stellar falls all the way down to 11th place, an honorable mention, although their volume is still looking pretty good. And check it out, Stellar is up 17 points from yesterday. Lots going on here. A lot of news in the market. A little bit of FUD. FUD doesn't bother us anymore. We just plow right through it. They can try to hold us back, but it won't be for long, because we are the crypto family. I just got home from playing pool. One pocket. Yeah. Anyhow, BitCoin-CASH is absolutely the story of the day, gaining 18.58%. That's a lot. BitCoin-CASH is approaching $400. Big gains. So all the traders, it seems like they're just trading coins now. First it was Metaverse, and then it was Stellar, and now they're heading into BitCoin-CASH, which I can see a price rise with 90%. If you want to take a risk, that is not advice on what to do with your money. It could crash to $200 in the next 5 minutes, but if this is a trend, if it's a trend, they're going to hold it for 2.5 days, maybe 1.5 days, 3.5 days. But there's a lot of market there in the upswing. This could go to a serious rise And let's go take a closer look at BitCoin-CASH. On a weekly chart, you can see it wasn't doing much of anything. It was like 318 for a while, and it would adjust and go back to 300 and come back and adjust, and it pretty much went horizontal until today. And actually, last night, 1 o'clock in the morning, it just took off. Why? I don't know. There's got to be a network of thousands of traders all doing the same thing. You don't just buy BitCoin-CASH. One person cannot do this. So we were sitting at a price of $309 at midnight. An hour later, BitCoin-CASH, BCH, not BCC. I'm mad at Crypto Compare. BCC is the tag, I forget the name of it. It's the abbreviation for what is it? BitConnect, which is a total pyramid scam, if you ask me. So this should say BCH, and Crypto Compare knows this, but they haven't changed it. A lot of people have complained about this. Anyway, BitCoin-CASH was doing nothing at midnight, and suddenly at exactly 1 a.m. it goes through the roof. The pump without the dump, although it has been volatile. And they will dump it. It's just, I don't know how long they're going to hold it. They're trying to get the public in here to take it to $400, and then they'll probably dump it. But that's how the game's being played now, and today's coin is BitCoin-CASH. So all the money that's coming out of Bitcoin here's where it is. And the volume is up, way, way, way up. A lot of people sticking a lot of money in this coin right at this moment. And yeah, I'm eating while we do this. Because I'm starving. What's the other big coin, or the big story? And it would be Stellar's still up 16.5%, so let's go take a closer look at Stellar. But they lost a lot of volume. Wow. This is a trading coin from hell. $0.042 current value. Today's high was 4.6 cents. Look at all this volatility. There's money to be made here if you're a trader. And if you know what you're doing, you have to let the market. I don't want to get into too much detail on how to trade, but you can't predict it, so you have to let the market level out and begin to rise before you buy it. I'm just going to make it short and sweet. And you have to sell. I mean, you're not going to predict that this is the ceiling and this is the time to sell, so you're going to be selling right about here. And this could rise to the moon. But there's a trend moving down, so that's when you sell. And you're not making every nickel you can make, but you are making money if you bought in here. Comprende? Yeah. What else we have going on? Oh, big tanker is Ripple, losing 11%. A little bit more. But their volume's still way up. It's just selling. BitCoin-CASH actually stole the show today. There's no doubt about it. It's all about BitCoin-CASH. BCH. See, they got the symbol right here. Let's go look at Bitcoin. $5,500. Had a bad day. This time yesterday it's $57.32. So it lost over $200 at this point. Very volatile. You could actually trade Bitcoin if you wanted to. Just a tough day. This is a 1 week chart. And this starts today. Midnight last night. And you can see we're down. Yesterday we were about even. The day before we were down. This day was at October 14th. We were way up. It was a good day. I remember that. And this, what is that? October 12th was the best day of this month. And nothing but up, up, up. Very good day. Starting at, what were we starting at? 48, 45, and wound up 57.34. That's a good day. Anyway, did I tell you my name's John Disc? It is. Yapperini. You guys want to know anything? And I'm going to make a video about the secrets of trading, although they're not really secrets. You don't want to guess. If you find a coin down here, alpha coin, and you really like it, and you really like the patterns, yeah, that's a terrible example. Here's someone up almost 700%. And this is going to be a pump and dump. I can tell you that right now. It's not even trading at a penny. But the first thing you want to look at is the volatility of the coin, and there is none. It's just, boom. Somebody bought in here with, what was it, $618. And it just so happened that this coin was shit. And so it skyrocketed above, what is that, 6/100ths of a penny. Yeah, it's shit. That's just one buyer. And somebody else got in right here. And it boosted it up a little bit. As soon as you get into this coin, they're going to dump you off and take your money and run. And your coin ain't going to be worth shit. So you don't want to get into a coin like that. But let's take something reasonable. Trust coin. It's probably religious based, that's what I'm guessing. It's at 35 cents, and it's up. Now, even this is crap. The first thing you want to look at is volume. You need volume to trade. And the second thing you want to look at is volatility. You need a lot of ups and a lot of downs to make money trading. If you're buying and holding, it's a whole different story. Canada coin. $0.03, 3.3 cents, and it's shit. It's crap. You can see they're trading it, but you're either going to be the person burning people or you're going to be the one getting burned. There's just not enough volume. If you look at the bottom of the chart and these candles here, this should be filled with blue candles down here at the bottom. And it's just a couple people getting in and trying to trap people into their coin. The second thing you want is the first thing you want is volume. The second thing you want is volatility. A lot of ups and a lot of downs. And the best example I can give you right now is probably going to be NEO. A lot of people trade NEO, and it's trading at 29, almost 30, or yeah, almost 30 cents. And if you look at the weekly graph, you can see a lot of points, a lot of ups, a lot of downs. It's like a major roller coaster from hell. This is what you want in a coin. If you're trading, not if you're just buying and holding, because it's going to shatter your nerves. One day you're going to make a lot of money, and the next day you're going to be back to broke. But if you're a trader, this is what you want. So you're buying in here, and you're selling here, and you're buying in here, and you're selling here, and you're buying in here, and you're selling here. You just have to know when to do it, and it's not guesswork. You don't want to buy in here because there's pretty much nowhere to go but down. You certainly don't want to buy the peak. So you're letting this level out, and we got to get a little closer here, back to 1 day. That was a 1 week chart, and it's going back up. So it's probably not the greatest time to get in. You can see it leveling off here. That's the first sign you want, is it leveling off, and then it rebounding back up. So let's go even closer. And you want to buy the dips if you decide to get in. If you like this coin, if you think it has potential, and since we started this, it has gone up, you want to buy the lows. You want to get the best deal you can, and the best deal in the last hour has been at 29.53%. That would have been probably a decent buy if you're looking to trade NEO. Now you have to determine when to get out. And it takes patience. It's an art. But you don't want to just look at one coin all day. Traders look at hundreds of coins all day, and they try to figure out. As you can see, it went, what was this? There's not even 5 minutes here. Yeah, actually it is exactly 5 minutes to where it went horizontal right here, and that's what you want to see. And then you're taking a little bit of chance. But you want to see it come down, and don't try to buy in here right at that point and wait for it to go horizontal and show a little bit of aggression. Which it did right there. It went from 29.51 to 29.53, and this is the time to get in. But this is after looking at the 1 month chart. You can see how volatile it is, and then the 1 week chart, and say, okay, I like this coin, we have potential. Let's go closer and find the exact time to buy. This is 1 day. And you like it going horizontal right here, so let's get closer. This is 1 hour. And yeah, it's a lot of work. No one said it was going to be easy. But you just never want to be in a position to where you're guessing. You want to know a little bit. And some days you're going to lose money, some days you're going to make money. I don't care how intelligent you are and how much you figured out and how much you know. Anyway, hopefully Bitcoin's making a big rebound here. Peace, everybody. Every night, 10 p.m.